In this lesson, we're going to be setting up our investigation for tomorrow. This investigation is going to look at arcs and angles. Our objective is to understand arc and angle relationships in circles. Some vocabulary that could help, and you might want to look up if you don't already have them. Inscribed angle, cyclic quadrilateral, and secant. So there are 5 pictures that we're going to create, and from those 5 pictures we're going to try and figure some things out. Each picture deals with a circle, so we're going to want a center, and we're going to want to use our compass to make a good accurate circle so our investigation comes out as accurate as possible. So here I've already set up a circle. I put some points on the circle, so I'd like you to copy that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the picture, the angles on this that are going to lead us to what we need to know. So the first thing that we want to draw is what's called the central angle from our arc. So our arc has 2 endpoints, so this is arc CR, and we're going to draw our central angle. So central angles always go to the center point. Okay, so we're just going to draw the segments from the center point to each endpoint. The next thing that we want to draw is what's called the inscribed circle. Inscribed circle is from the 2 arc points to a point somewhere else on the circle. Our goal here is to compare angle 1 to angle 2. So we want to know, how does this angle and this angle compare? Alright, let's set up the second picture. Again, I want you to use a compass and to draw a circle based off of a center point. Put these points on the circle and highlight this arc. What we want to do is we want to draw 2 inscribed angles from this arc. So I'm going to use 2 different colors to highlight this. First one I'm going to draw is to A. So we have that, which I'll call angle 1, and then we want to draw angle 2, which will be to point B here. And our goal here is to compare angle 1 and angle 2. Alright, again, I want to draw our circle with our center point, put our points on the circle as I've instructed. What we're going to now do is look at a diameter, which cuts a circle into 2 semicircles, and the inscribed angles inside a semicircle. So we're going to draw 2 of these again. There's angle 1, and then we're going to draw angle 2. And our goal again will be to compare the size of angle 1 and angle 2. Now on to picture 4. Now picture 4, all you have to do is make your center point, use your compass, and draw a circle. Then take your straight edge and draw 4 segments within the circle that create a quadrilateral. This is known as a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral that fits inside a circle where the endpoints of the quadrilateral are on the circle. What we're going to do is compare the opposite angles. So we want to compare angle 1 to angle 2. Or if you would prefer, you could compare angle 3 to angle 4 and see if there's a relationship. Our last picture is, again, center point, use a compass and draw a straight edge, and draw a circle. And what I've done is I've used 2 parallel lines. These are called secants. They're lines that go through circles. And I used the 2 sides of a straight edge to do this. And I just put it down, and I drew line on either side. What this does is it creates 2 arcs. We want to figure out the measure of both of those arcs so that we can compare the size of 2 arcs made by the same 2 parallel lines. Alright, this is how we set up our investigation for arcs and angles. Please bring these 5 pictures to class tomorrow so that we can figure out the relationships that are happening. Thank you.